Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up VPN on Apple iPad Air 11. So you have to start by opening your App Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search, and then select this application and click on this icon. Now you can click open and now click agree. Then you can close this ad, then click allow and click on this button and then click allow again. Now you have to enter your passcode and close this ad again. And as you can see, now I'm connected to VPN. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.